Every project you deliver today shapes the world of tomorrow, but are you building success or future risk?
Welcome back to Andro Indian. Sustainability is no longer optional in project management. It has become a strategic necessity across industries worldwide.
The shift is driven by global regulations, investor demands, and a fundamental change in how we define project value.
Modern projects must balance environmental responsibility, social impact, and governance, the core pillars of ESG.
Environmental factors focus on reducing carbon footprints, minimizing waste, and ensuring efficient resource management throughout the project lifecycle. Social responsibility ensures ethical labor practices, community engagement, and creating inclusive work environments.
Governance brings transparency and accountability, aligning project goals with corporate integrity and long-term strategic vision.
For decades, project success was defined by the iron triangle: cost, time, and scope. But the world has evolved. Project success is no longer defined by these three alone. A critical fourth dimension now matters: sustainability.
This isn't just about being green. It's about strategic alignment. Projects must create value that lasts beyond the closing date.
Value engineering now includes life cycle assessment. We must ask, how will this project perform 10 or 20 years from now? Sustainable practices mitigate long-term risks, from regulatory fines to resource scarcity and reputational damage.
Let's look at India. Projects like the Delhi Metro and our expanding solar parks are prime examples of sustainable project leadership.
The Delhi Metro became the first railway system in the world to be awarded carbon credits by the UN for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In logistics, VTS and route optimization are not just for efficiency, they are essential tools for reducing a project's environmental footprint.
This requires holistic thinking. We must integrate sustainability into our WBS, our risk registers, and our governance frameworks.
From the business case in initiation to the final handover in closing, every phase is an opportunity for ESG integration. The future workforce, especially in India's tech hubs, demands purpose-driven work that aligns with global sustainability goals.
As project leaders, the responsibility rests with us. We must champion these principles to ensure our projects are both profitable and planetary safe.
Remember, sustainability is also good for the bottom line. High ESG performance is linked to better financial returns and lower capital costs. Building smarter and greener isn't just a trend, it's the only way to build for the future.
At Andro Indian, we are committed to empowering project leaders with the knowledge to drive this change. Join us in building a more sustainable world.
Make sure to subscribe for more insights into strategy and project management. Hit the bell to stay updated with our latest guides. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.